Hey, how's it going, everybody? Sarasota Tim, where you been? I'll tell you where I've been. I've been out helping Noah collect all the animals, 2x2, male and female, to get ready to embark. We're getting ready to load them up because the water's coming in pretty soon. I mean, it's been crazy, man. A lot of rain. So anyway, got a little unboxing here for you, everybody. Ray and Connie, a couple of nice subscribers. Really nice people. Sent me something here I want to show you guys. I know what it is, but I haven't seen it yet. And I think that the reason I want to show it to you is I want to maybe encourage some of you others to get it, because this could be a very handy thing for security. So let me just see what it looks like here. We got a little box. It doesn't weigh much at all. And I was just able, thanks again, Ray. I was just able to finally get over there in the break of the rain. Got a little small window here to get over to the office to get this. And here it is. We're going to open it up. Take it out. And there it is. It says, Motorbike Bicycle Anti-Theft Alarm. So Ray thought this would be nice, him and Connie, to give me, because he got one. He also got the tank watch, which mine's charging right now. So he said that he thinks this would be nice to put on either the e-bike or the e-scooter. So let's see what it looks like. Open up right there. Look at that. Open up like that. It's a nice little unboxing. Very nice. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, got a beautiful little key fob here. Like a Cadillac, baby. That's nice. And then here it is inside. Let me get you guys over here a little bit more. Show you what it looks like. So you have this. Oh, you have this little zip tie they give you. Provided. Hang on. They provide you a little screwdriver. There is a sticky thing here that you use in addition. Oh, what is this? I'll figure that out in a second. Looks like a guitar pick, but it's got a little slot in it to slide in something. And like I said, there's a zip tie. And then the sticky thing just kind of helps hold it in place while you zip tie it. And the screwdriver is going to go to, oh look, here's a little battery puller outer thing, so now the battery can be hot. Okay. Holy mackerel, that scared the heck out of me. I guess this screwdriver here is to replace the battery. Tiny little screwdriver and a tiny little screw. Don't want to take it out right yet, but there you go. One screw to replace the battery when you need to. We'll put that in there. And this doesn't go on the key fob. Now the key fob says that you can unlock, lock, okay, get ready for this, and then unlock, and then there's a bolt, a little lightning bolt on here, and another little icon. Let's see. Well, wait a minute. I think one is if you get near it and you touch the bike or the scooter or whatever you have it on. Oh, there's a little sensor light there. Let me. Hope I can turn this off. Hang on. You ready? Holy crap! That's ear piercing. That was the middle button with a little lightning bolt looking thing, and then see what this one does down here. Now, one of them, I think if you holy criminy! Oh! Listen, turn that off. Wow! Oh, yeah. Man, you know if somebody gets near that e-bike, I think if they even move it some, it goes off. I got to read what is this? What does that go to? Ah. When you take that screw out, there's going to be a little, it's probably to pry open the two pieces, like a key fob. I'm sure that's what it is. I'll read the instructions. But let's just briefly look at it together here. Traxerial accumulator, I can't read. 7 levels of sensitivity, 113 decibel loud alarm, emergency SOS help function, long standby time. So yeah, I'll go over all of this. Look at that. Look at this. This is really cool, Ray. Host diagram, double-sided tape. Where's that little pick thing? What does that thing do? That's what it is. It's a little little pry open thing. Dismantle button, cover. Yeah, it's that thing right there. Okay. You can external power with Tiger from Sun. Similar form. I'll look this all over, and disarm, ringtone switch. You can have different ringtones. The bell, and arm, disarm. Oh, let's just go over this here. One more time. You ready? I don't know what it sounds like on audio, but it's really loud. Oh. That was locked. I guess. Yeah. That little eye right there. Wow. This is going to work. Nobody's going to mess. I don't care what you got. You put it on anything. But I'm definitely going to put it on one of those little bikes, because you step into the gas station to grab a drink or use the restroom or something, you don't have the lock. Even if you got the lock, always use your lock. This is going to be a deterrent, because it's going to draw attention. There's going to be a witness. They're going to run away. I mean, they're going to think there's a tracking device. I don't know. But what a handsome key fob. And I'm going to go over all of this and get this all set up. There's even more in the back. Oh, yeah. I cannot tell you how loud this is. It's pretty neat. Really neat. And not that expensive. I'll put a link in the description of the video. And if you get one, you can use the link that helps me out. And little zip tie you got there to zip it on something. It's kind of a, what do you call, incognito. It's not anything that looks like anything. You put it under the seat of anything you got. I believe Ray said he got one for his luggage. So the sky's the limit of anything you want to keep secure. But that is certainly loud, very, very loud. And I think it's under $20. I think that's what it is. I'll put a link on it. But that's well worth it. And I want to say thank you again very, very much, Ray and Connie. You guys crushed it.